back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having a fantastic Monday. I am having a pretty good one myself. This is the start of my birthday week. My birthday is Thursday, May 2nd, and I am excited. I claimed the whole week. The whole week is mine. So anyway, as you can see from the description below, we do have another unboxing of Pin Culture. I'm actually, I'll show you my address. I'm actually really excited for this one because this is actually an exclusive sneak peek into a new level of the subscription they offer starting here in the month of May. Well, we're not quite to May, but this is for May 2019. So a little bit about this. This is the Deluxe monthly hair ties. The Deluxe set includes the Pin Culture signature box for storage, which is great because since last month, I love having hair ties and bobby pins all right there together, and I keep them in the little box. It's amazing. Perfect for throwing in your handbag, backpack, or gym bag. 10 crease-free hair ties in your hair color. Well, sorry about that. I was reading and it decided to disappear. So, let's get it back up. All right. Take two. This is what happens when you film and you don't edit. But thankfully my internet is pretty fast, so we will get it right back up. Like my Gmail just closed. Decided, nope, not gonna work for you today. All right. So you receive their signature box for storage. Like I said, perfect for throwing in your handbag, backpack, or gym bag. 10 crease-free ties in your hair color, and you can choose from brown, black, blonde, or auburn. So they have added auburn, which I think is fantastic. 2 surprise charm ties on black hair ties or your color of choice. And it's a retail value of $10 or more, and it does have free shipping with tracking, and it will always be packed in one of these cute little bags. And you can get the subscription month to month at $7.50 a month. You can prepay for 3 months and it's $7.25 a month. 6-month prepay is $7 a month, or if you want to go ahead and prepay for a year, it would be $6.75 a month. And again, it's free shipping on all plans. I will put a link down below to get you over to Cratejoy if you would like to sign up. I think this is fantastic, especially with summer coming up, first of all, because I don't know about y'all, but especially here in North Carolina, it gets very hot, humid, and a lot of the time my hair is going to be up. So having a constant renewal, replenishment of hair ties to me is fantastic. And the fact that they're in the color of my hair, and I don't have to think about it. So if I lose them, because let's be honest, I don't know anyone that doesn't lose hair ties or bobby pins all the time. So, but also just in general, as, you know, a teenager or a mother of a young child, young daughter, you're constantly using hair products. This is such a great subscription, so you know you're not going to run out, and you're not going to have to run, to Target at, 8 o'clock at night because you just realized you don't have hair ties and the next day's picture day or something, because you're going to always have a ready supply to go. So let's get in here and take a look at this exclusive sneak peek for May 2019 with their new Deluxe kit. I'm really excited. And again, the bag is so cute. Flowers and bunnies, it's just precious. So, this is how it comes wrapped up. Cute washi tape. I think that is so nice. And let's open it up. and there's a card in here. That is so pretty. Let's see. Oh, that is a beautiful card. I love that. Oh, okay. So this says, Nikki, I'm happy to give you a preview of our new Deluxe hair ties box. I've extended your coupon code until July 31st. Awesome. So I do have a coupon code. It is SouthernMom19. I will put that down below for you, so you can save some money. How awesome is that? And she extended it through July 31st. Awesome. So thank you so much, Christina. She is the curator of the Pin Culture box, and she did send this to me for review again. So we also have her card here, Pin Culture box. And then the back side, I think, is cute with the logo, has the little pin. And then this is how it comes. I think this is so cute. It comes in this cute little clear box. So we have our 10 blonde hair ties. And then we have the 2 hair ties that have charms on them. So they're like a extra little flair, extra little fun. So let's take a look in here and see. Last month what I got had the hair ties, bobby pins, and this beautiful barrette. Like if you wanted to kind of do something fun, or even just kind of pull your hair back and put it at the top of a ponytail. It was really cute. So there's a variety of selections for different subscriptions. So that is always great. So the 2 black hair ties, here we have this one with the charm, and it's well, it's backwards. Let's do it this way. It is a pretty face with red lips. That's fun. Oh, and this is so cute. And this is the one, again, that I was talking about. This would be so perfect for mothers of little girls, especially dancers, because it is a little ballerina. How cute is that? That is so precious. And the detail on these little charms is amazing. I mean, if you look, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's like little crystals down there at the bottom of the black skirt. So pretty. So, and then like I said, we do have our 10 blonde hair ties. But yes, keeping everything in this box is, oh, that's upside down, is always great, because again, it does make it so convenient and easy. It's all right here together, and knowing that you're going to get this monthly, you can keep one of these boxes in your purse, one in your car, one on your dresser, one in the bathroom, wherever you could possibly think of that you may need a hair tie, because like I said, we all use them, need them, and especially this time of year when the weather is getting warm and you're like, oh, get up off my neck. So let me know down below what you guys think. I think this is super cute, super fantastic. Like I said, we'll put that link down below, as well as my coupon code that she has ever so kindly extended through July 31st, SouthernMom19, so you can save a little bit of money with that as well. And don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so if you have not entered that, make sure you do so. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye!